Hello viewers, welcome to the class for today. Today we're looking at LCM and HCF, finding LCM and HCF. My student will join the class now. You can subscribe to this channel. Thank you.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
Good.
Alright, you're welcome to the class for today. I have seen your work and you've tried all of the ones you were able to do. So let's quickly look at all of the solutions together, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so the first one, we're finding HCF as well as LCM. So, like I explained the other time, I said you can use your division method. That will be faster than anything, okay?
Okay.
So, in case you have lots of questions, use that division method. It's going to be very fast. And how do you divide? You can start dividing with prime numbers. The first prime number is 2. So, how many 2 goes in 36? That's 18. How many 2 goes in 72? That's 36. How did I get 18 and how did I get 36? Do you know how I got them?
No.
Okay, look at this. How many 2 goes in 3? Only 1. How many 2 goes in 3?
One.
Remainder 1. Making 16. Making what?
16.
How many 2 goes in 16?
8.
Do you understand how I got 18 now?
Yes.
You can try the same thing to explain how I got 36. How many 2 goes in 7?
How many two goes in 7?
This is your answer.
That's 3 times.
3. So what remains? 1, because that's 6, right? So
Yeah.
how many 2 goes in 12?
Maybe 6. Yeah.
Don't tell me maybe. Be certain. How many 2 goes in 12?
6.
6, because 2 times 6 is 12. 2 in 6 places. 2 times 6 is 12. So now I'm going to use 2 again because they are both even numbers. So I can use 2. Is that clear?
Yeah.
How many 2 goes in 18? That's 9. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
How many 2 goes in 36? That's 18 again because it was 36 we started with. We got 18. Now we get another 18. So we cannot use 2 again. Why can't we use 2? Do you know why?
No.
Okay, we could have used 2 because this is even number. But is this one even number?
No.
So you cannot use 2. Odd number cannot be evenly divided by 2. So what can I use? I can use 3. Can 3 divide both of them? Tell me.
Yes.
So how many 3 goes in 9? 3. How many 3
3.
goes in 18? 6. Is that clear?
Yes.
Now, how many 3 goes in 3? 1. How
1.
many 3 goes in 6? 2. So nothing
2.
can divide them again, right?
Yes.
Then all the answers you've gotten hitherto, the product is the HCF, okay?
Okay.
So I can say that HCF will be what? 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, and that'll be what? What's 2 times 2? 4.
4.
What's 3 times 3? 9. And 4 times 9 is what?
Will be 36.
36. That's the HCF. Now for the LCM, you're going to multiply this final number with it. So that'll be 36 times 2, okay?
Okay.
That'll be what? 72.
36.
That's 72, okay?
Okay.
So for the number 1, we have the HCF to be 36, the LCM to be what? 72. Where's your number 1? It's 36 and 72. Okay, you got, yeah, that's okay. But when I give you another one to do, I will want you to use this division method, okay?
Okay.
Because you won't be able to do all of this in exam, listing all the multiples. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Hold on, we're going to continue shortly.
Yeah.
Okay, so we move to the second question. Let me move it to the, so it's division we're going to be using. Yeah, I think I'm hearing some dragons Okay, there's a fan, right? There's a fan around you, right?
Yeah.
That maybe that's what's blowing into your microphone. Okay. So this one we're going to be dividing to find the HCF and LCM because that's the instruction. So to find, we are going to, they are both even numbers, okay?
Okay.
So you divide by 2. How many 2 goes in 9? Tell me quickly. You just need to count more than 2, 4, 6, 8. So it's close to 9. How many?
4.
4. How many 2 goes in 9? That's 4. Remember what? 1.
You mean what?
So how many 2 goes in 16?
I think that we.
You need to count it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So how many 2 goes in 16?
Yeah, yeah, I was counting.
That should be 8. So just you need to really work on your division skills or multiplication skills or multiple skills, okay? So how many 2
Okay.
goes in 8?
That'll be like. I think that's like 4.
Don't think, just tell me the answer. What's the answer? How many 2 goes in 8?
6.
It's not 6. 2, 4, 6, 8. How many 2?
4.
4. How many 2 goes in 4?
1. No, no, that's 2.
That's 2. So they are still even numbers, so I can still divide by 2. How many 2 in 4? 2. How many 2 in 8? 4. How many 2 in 4? 2. How many 2 in 2? 1. Are they both even numbers?
No.
So 1 is an odd number. So we cannot use 2 again, but we can try 3. 3 can divide them. How many 3 in 24? Quickly.
I think that's. No, not think. I believe that's probably 8.
Probably. Yes, it's telling me probably. That's 8, not probably, okay? How many 3 in
Okay.
21?
Um, 7.
7. So don't ask next time. Just tell me 7, not 7. Now, can anything divide both of them at the same time? No, because this is a prime number, so nothing can divide this one, okay?
Okay.
Uh-huh. But there are numbers that can divide 8, but I will not continue for the HCF. So HCF is what? 2 times 2
Um,
times what?
2, 2 times 2 times 3.
And that's what?
4. 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times 3 will be
What are you doing? After multiplying 2 times 2, which 2 are you still mentioning? 2 times 2 is what? 4. 4 times
4.
3 now, not 2 times 3.
That's 12.
That's 12. Good. Um, okay. Now for the LCM, you combine this, okay?
Okay.
That'll be the LCM. That'll be the 12 and times the 8 times the 7, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So what is 12 times 8?
Um, 12 times 8 will be no, not
Read your 12 times table. 12 times 1, 12. 12 times 2, 24. 12 times 3, 36. 12 times 4, 48. 12 times 5, 60. 12 times 6, 72. 12 times 7, 84. 12 times 8 is what? Just add 12 to 84.
12 to 84.
Yeah, because you said 12 times 8, right? And 12 times
Yes,
7 is 84. So add another 12.
that will be 90,
That'll be what?
96.
96. So that's the LCM, okay?
Okay.
Wait, it's not the LCM because I need to multiply with 7. Is that clear? So 96
Yes.
times 7 now. So what's 96 times 7? 6 times 7 is what? 42. And 7 times 9 is 63. 63 plus 4 is what?
63 plus 4.
So this is 672, okay?
63,
So
67.
we have 12 and 6, 7, 2. Is that clear?
Yes.
I have 12 and 6, 7, 2. Um, so it is this division method you really need to be familiar with, okay?
Okay.
And that alone will increase your calculation speed and so on, so forth. So the third one, we have to deal with 120 and 90. Uh, no, maybe I put something somewhere. Okay, 120 and 90. So I want to do this one. I'm going to divide, right?
Yeah.
So are they both even numbers?
No.
They are both even numbers because any even number end with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. And they both end with 0, yes or no?
Yes.
They are both even numbers. So we can divide by 2. 2 cannot divide 1, but 2 can divide 12. How many 2 goes in 12? That's 6. How many 2 in 0? That's,
6.
how many 2 in 9? That's 4. That's 8, remember 1. How many 2 in 10? That's 5. So
Five.
are they both even numbers?
No.
So we can try 3. 3 in 6, that's 2. 3 in 0. 3 in 4, that's 1. Remember 1. 3 in 15, that's 5. That's 15. So we can use 3 again. We can use 5, okay?
Okay.
Because 20 would not be divisible by 3. So how many 5 in 20? 5 in 15.
Five.
Can
Yes.
anything divide both of them? No. So we've
No.
arrived at HCF, right? That's 2
Yes.
times 3 times 5. What's 2 times 3? 6. 6 times 5 is what? 30. Then, to go for the LCM, what do you think I should do? Tell me.
Um, you should do.
Before you talk, look at what we did here. After doing this, we multiply this to get the LCM. Yes or no? In
Yes.
this other one, after doing this, we multiply with 8 and 7. Can you see it here?
Yes.
After getting the 12. So what do you think I should do now?
You should do 30
Times.
times 4
So
times 3.
what is 30 times 4? 120. What is
3.
120 times
What?
3?
Hmm?
120 times
Sorry,
3.
I couldn't hear.
120
120
times
times
3.
3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be 3. 2 plus 2
120
plus
times
2.
3.
And 120 times 3 is.
That's 360.
Okay.
That's you. Just when you want to do 120 times 3, just do 12 times 3. That's 36, right?
Yes.
Then you put a 0, then you get 360. So this
Okay.
one, no, let me check the previous answer. So the answer was what, 30 and 360. Okay.
Okay.
So let's see. We have to divide this one. What number do you think can divide both of them? Can 2 divide them? Are they even numbers?
No.
Are they either odd numbers? Fine. But can 3 divide both of them? 3 will divide 75, but 3 will not divide 25. That's why we cannot use the 3. Okay?
Okay.
Because the number we must use must divide both of them. So we use 5. How many 5 in 7? 1, remainder 2. How many 5 in 25? 5. Then how many 5 in the other 25? 5. We can use 5 again, right?
Yes.
So 5 in 15 is what? 3. 5 here, 1. Nothing will divide both of them again. So we leave it there. We get our HCF, right? That's
Yes.
what?
F- 5 times 5
So, and what about the
equals
LCM?
25.
What's the LCM?
25 times
Times what?
times 3
And that's
equals
75.
75.
So we get 25 and 75. Okay. The next one. So are you getting the division now?
Yes.
Okay. Because that's what's, really important for you to know how to, divide. Let me move this one a bit up so that I can manage this space here. Now, 80 and 150, we want to find the HCF and the LCM. Okay, just wait a minute. Are they both even numbers?
Yes.
So
As
I will
that
use
through
2.
adding.
So 2 in 4 and in 8 is 4, in 0 is 0. 2 in 15 is 7. That's 14, remember 1. 2 in 10, 5. So are they both even numbers?
No, only
No.
40.
So we can't use 2 again. We cannot use 3 either because this one would not be divided by 3. Then we can use 5. So 5 in 40, 8. 5 in 7, that's 1. Remember 2. 5 in 15. I mean 5 in
5
25,
and
that's 5.
5.
So can anything divide both of them? No way.
No.
3 and 5 will divide this, but they won't divide this. 2 and 4 will divide this, but they won't divide this. Okay?
Okay.
So what's the HCF?
Uh, 2 times 5
What is the
is
LCM?
10. 10 times
10 times 15 times 8, right?
15.
Right?
Yeah.
What's 10 times 15? 150. What is 150 times 8?
150 times 8 will
150
be
times 8. 15 times 8 is 120. Then you put a 0. Okay?
0. Okay.
That will be 1,200 is the LCM of this one. So 1,200 and what? 10. Um, you can see without having to, take the stress of finding multiples, right?
Yes.
Can you see the steps we took? Just a short step, right?
Yeah.
So you don't have to go through all the stress of getting multiple. You wasted. You're going to waste a lot of time. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's go for this one. Uh, so when we are through, I will still ask you to put down all of this solution division so that when you're doing it, you check it if you understand. If you don't understand, you ask questions. Okay.
Okay.
But hold on, we're going to continue shortly. All right. So can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. Hold on. Trying to make sure that. Okay. The next one, we want to divide again. You're going to walk through this with me. Let me see. So are they even numbers?
Yes.
What can we use to divide? Remember, whenever you
2.
are trying to divide, to look for numbers that can divide them, always start with 2 if they're even numbers. If they're not even numbers, you try 3. If 3 cannot go, the next to try is 5, and so on in like prime numbers, okay?
Okay.
Then 11, and so on. Do you know what prime numbers are?
No.
Prime numbers doesn't have any other number that can divide them apart from 1 and that number itself. So look at this. Is there any number that can divide 2 apart from 1 and 2? No.
No.
Is there a number that can divide 3 apart from 1 and 3? No.
Yeah.
Any number
No.
that can divide 5 apart from 1 and 5? No.
Yes.
Which
No.
number? You're
Sorry.
saying yes. Which number can divide 5 apart from 1 and 5? Is there any number? Hmm?
No.
There's no number. So 7. Is there any number that can divide 7 apart from 1 and 7?
Yes.
What number?
No. 3.
Will 3 divide 7 without leaving any remainder?
No.
So why are you saying 3? Now, look at this. I skipped a number here. I skipped 4. Why did I skip 4? Because apart from 1 and 4, 2 can also divide 4. So it's not a prime number, okay?
Okay.
I skipped 6. Why did I skip 6? Because apart from 1 and 6, 2 and 3 can divide 6, right?
Yes.
But will any number divide 7 apart from 1 and 7?
No.
1 can divide 7 to give 7. 7 can divide 7 to give 1, right?
Yes.
So what about 8? Is 8 a prime number? If yes, tell me why. If no, tell me why not. Remember, I said a prime
Yes.
number, nothing should be able to divide a prime number apart from 1 and that number itself. So is 8 a prime number?
No.
Why?
Wait, actually, yes, because one can divide eight, two can divide eight.
It shows you are not getting it. If you are getting it, what you have to consider is that the two numbers that can divide a prime number are only 1 and that number. What did I say?
You said that. I couldn't
The
hear
two,
because the
the,
sound was.
listen, no, you can hear me, but you cannot remember. Listen.
No, no,
Wait,
I heard.
just listen carefully. Listen carefully.
Okay.
The two numbers that can divide the prime numbers are 1 and that number itself. What did I say?
You said the two numbers can divide.
The two numbers that can divide a
Like,
prime number,
divide. The five
listen,
number can.
listen, listen. The two numbers that can divide a prime number is only 1 and that number itself. What did I
The
say?
two number. The two numbers that can divide
A prime
five.
number
The five. The prime number
is only
is
1 and that
one.
number itself. Again,
The two numbers
that can divide a prime number
that can divide a prime number
is only
is
1
one.
and that number
One. That's
itself.
only one in that number
So let's
itself.
consider 2. What are the two numbers that can divide 2? Only 1 and 2. Okay?
Okay.
That's why 2 is a prime number. Let's consider 3. What are the numbers that can divide 3? Only 1 and 3. Nothing else will divide it that will not leave remainder, okay?
Okay.
Good. What about 4? Is it only 1 and 4 that can divide 4?
No.
What else can divide 4?
Two.
2. So 4 is not a prime number. Is that clear?
Yes.
Is 5 a prime number?
Yes.
Why?
Because
Because only
one
1
can
and 5 can
divide.
divide. Because no, don't just say 1 can. Just say only 1 and 5 can divide 5. Say that.
Only one and five can divide five.
Is 6 a prime number?
No.
Why?
Because one and two can divide.
No, not 1. Don't even mention 1. Because apart from 1 and 6, 2 and 3 can divide it. What did I say?
Apart from one, two and three can divide
No. I
six.
said because apart from 1 and 6, 2 and 3 can divide it.
Because apart from one and six, two and three can divide
6. So because they can divide 6, 6 is not a prime number. Is 7 a prime number? Tell me.
yes.
Why?
Because only one and seven can divide.
Can divide 7, right? Is
Yes.
8 a prime number?
No.
Why?
Apart from one and eight,
Hmm.
two, three, and four.
Not 2, 3,
Yeah,
and
two.
4. Only 2 and 4.
Only two and four can divide eight.
Don't say only. Apart from 1 and 8, 2 and 4 can also divide it. So it's not a prime number. Okay? What
Okay.
about 9? Is 9 a prime number?
Yes.
No, it's not. Apart from 1 and 9, 3 can divide 9. Yes or no?
Yes.
What about 10? Is 10 a prime number?
Yes.
Why? So you mean only 1 and
Because
10 can divide 10, right? Do you mean only 1 and 10 can divide 10?
no, I said yes.
I said, is it the prime number? You said yes.
Oh no, actually no.
Aha. So why is it not a prime number?
Apart from one and ten, two,
And
three,
5. Not 3.
four.
Don't even mention 3. Is 10 a multiple of 3? Why are you giving me 3? Any number that you will mention must 10 must be a multiple of that number. Okay?
Okay.
So apart from 1 and 10, 2 and 5 can divide 10. Is that clear? At
Yes.
least you can tell me that 10 is a multiple of 2 and 10 is also a multiple of 5, right?
Yes.
If you are counting multiples of 2, you are going to reach 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yes or no?
Yes.
And if you are counting multiples of 5, you will reach 10. Yes or no?
Yes.
5, 10. So take note of that. Is 11 a prime number?
Yes.
Yes, because only 1 and 11 can divide 11. Okay?
Okay.
Is 12 a prime number?
No.
Why? Because other numbers can divide it. What are the other numbers? 2, 3,
Two,
4, and
three,
6
four, six.
can divide 12. Is that clear? It
Yes.
means that 12 is a multiple of all of those numbers I mentioned. Okay?
Okay.
Uh-huh. Is 13 a prime number?
No. I mean, yes. Sorry.
13
Yes.
is a prime number. Get touch. So only 1 and 13 can divide 13. Is 14 a prime number? No, because 2 and 7 can
No.
divide it. Is 15 a prime number? No, because 3 and 5
Yes.
can
No.
divide it. Okay?
Okay.
Is 16 a prime number? No, because 2,
No.
4, and 8 can divide it. Is 17 a prime number? Yes, because
Yes.
1 and 17 only can divide 17. So it's prime numbers we are using when we're dividing, okay?
Okay.
Hold on. We're going to continue shortly. I need to make sure that this thing.
Yes.
Why was I explaining the prime numbers? So that you can know it's prime numbers you'll be using, okay? Look
Okay.
at this. I used 2. 2 is a prime number. And when 2 could no longer work, what did I use?
5.
It's a prime number, yes or no?
Yes.
Aha. Look at this. I used 2. I used 2. When 2 could not work, I used 3, which is also a prime number. I used 2 here. I used 3 next because 2 cannot go again, so 3 is a prime number. So all the numbers we're using, they're prime numbers, from the starting from the smallest, okay?
Okay.
Now, we're going to use 2. How many 2 in 2? 1. 2 in 4, 2. 2 in 0, 0. 2 in 3, 1, remainder 1. 2 in 16, 8, and 2 in this 0. Can 2 still divide them?
Yes.
Okay. 2 in 12, 6, 2 is 0. 2 in 18, 9, 2 is 0. Can 2 still divide them?
Yes. No.
It is yes, because they are even numbers. 2 can divide even numbers. So 2 in 3, in 6, 3, in here 0. Then 2 in 9, that's 4, remainder 1. But because we have the 0, so it becomes 10, right? So 2 in 10 is what?
Yes.
5.
5.
Then can 2 still divide them?
No.
No. What are we going to try?
3.
3. 45 is a multiple of 3. 30 is a multiple of 3, so it works. 3 in 3, 1. 3 is 0. 3 in 4, 1, remainder 1. 3 in 15, 5. Can 3 still divide them?
No.
No,
Because there's
because 10 is
10.
not a multiple of 3, so we can use 5. 5 here, 2, 5 here, 3, right?
Yes.
So can we continue? No, because nothing will
No.
divide both of them again. Now, what is the HCF? 2
2
times
times
2
2
times 2
times
times 3
2
times 5, right?
times 3 times 5. Yeah.
And that's going to be what? 8 times 3 is 24. 24 times 5 is what? 120. That's the HCF. Then the LCM,
It's going to be
120
120
times 6, right?
divided. I mean, times 6. Yes.
Where did I get 6?
From 2 and 3.
2 times 3. So what is 120
2 times
times
3.
6?
12 times 6. Wait.
Yeah,
Hold on.
do 12 times 6 now. 12 times 6 is what? 72. Then you put the 0. That's 720, okay?
Okay.
It's very easy. So 120 and 720. This is 720. Did you get the HCF for this one? Or is this
No. Wait.
you didn't get the HCF for the F part, right?
Yeah.
It should be 120. HCF equals to 120. The next one. Let's see. We have 3 more questions, right?
Yes.
Okay. At least this is good so that you can practice lots and lots of the division aspect. Oh, no. Let me try to cut it here and cut this one here. I can. Okay, so for the first part, we have to divide. Are they both even numbers? Can 2 divide them? The answer is yes. Okay, so 2
Okay.
in 3, 1, remainder 1, 2 in 13, 6, which is 12, remainder 1, 2 in 10, 5. Then 2 in 6, 3, 2 in 6, 3, 2 in 0, 0. Is that clear? Can 2 still divide them?
No.
Why? Because one of them is odd number. So 3, let's try 3. 3 should be able to divide them, I guess. I mean 3 in 16. That's 5, which is 15 remainder 1. 3 in 15, 5. Okay?
Okay.
Then 3 in 3, 1. 3 in 3, 1. 3 in 0. So can 3 still divide them? No, because this is not a
No.
multiple of 3. So we can use 5. 5 in 5, 1. 1. Then 5 in 11. That's 2 remainder 1. 5 in 10, 5.
But
Wait, I mean 5 in 10, that's 2 rather. Okay?
okay.
So that's 22. Do you understand it?
Yes.
Okay. What number can divide them again? Can 5 divide them? No. Can 7 divide them?
No.
No. After
No.
7, what's the next prime number?
After 7, that's. I think that. No, not think. 15.
No, it's not 15. 15 is not even a prime number. So after 7, what's the next prime number? What's the next number after 7?
Um,
8, right?
8.
Is 8 a
Yeah.
prime number? No. What's the next
No.
number? 9. Is 9 a prime
9.
number? No. What's the next
Yes.
number?
No.
10. Is 10 a prime
10.
number? No. What's the next number? 11. Is 11 a prime
11.
number? Yes. So we
Yes.
can use 11, yes or no?
Yeah.
How many 11 here? 1. How many 11 here? 2. Can we use anything again? No. So what
No.
is that's the HCF, right?
Yeah.
So what's the HCF? 2 times
2
3
times 3
times 5
times 5
times 11.
times 11.
And that words. 5 times 11 is 55. 2 times 3 is 6. So we need 55 times 6, right?
Yes.
So let us do 55 times, okay, 55 times 6. Let's do it. 55 times 6. 55 times 2 is 110. 110 times 3 should be 330, if I'm right. So 5 times 6 is 30, right? And 5 times
Okay.
6 is 30 again plus 3, that's 330. Is that clear?
Okay.
So what about the LCM?
That will be 130 times 2 equals 60. No,
660.
6
So 330 and
660.
660. You got one. You did not get your HCF for that one too. Okay. Let me see. Fine. The next one, I need to remove all these excesses that are crossing this path. So this one needs to go. This place needs to disappear. Then we can rule this, and we try to divide them. So we can divide by 2, yes or no?
Yes.
How,
Wait.
how do you
Yeah.
divide? How do you divide by 2?
What?
How do you divide?
I
What
couldn't
is?
hear.
How do you divide by 2? 2 cannot go in
You said
1, so you pick 15. How many 2 in 15? 7 remainder 1. How many 2 in 10? 5.
it's 5.
2 cannot go in 1, pick 18. How many 2 in 18? 9. 2 in 0?
9.
0. Can we still use 2?
No.
We can try 3. 3 in 7, 2, remainder 1. 3 in 15, that's 5. Then 3 in 9, 3, and 3 in 0. Can we still use 3 now? No, we can use 5. 5 in 25, 5 in 30. Will any number divide them together?
No.
No. So what's the HCF?
Two times 3 times 5.
And that's what?
That will be 30.
That's 6 times 5, that's 30. What's the LCM?
30 times
30 times what?
30 times 30 is
Where did I get 30,
9.
30 times 30?
5 times 6.
So you're looking before. So what is 30 times 30?
900.
Prove it. How did I get 900?
So you did 30
No, 3
times
times
what?
3. 3 times 3. I did 3
So you
times 3.
did
What's 3 times 3?
3 times 3 is 9.
Then I added the two zeros, okay?
Okay.
That is how to quickly multiply. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yeah, you have a long. Okay, well, I will not ask you to, put down the whole lot of this. So wait, it still remain one, right? Oh, remain one. Good.
I think so.
Okay, hold on. The HCF here is what? 30. Okay, let's do the last one before I say what I want to say. So anyone I give you, you're going to use the division method, okay?
Okay.
So prepare your mind. So how many? Can 2 divide them? Yeah. How many 2 in 5? 2. Remainder 1. How many 2 in
That's
14? 7. Then 0. 2 in 4 and 2 in 8. Then, do you understand this?
Yes, we can still use 2.
You can see use 2, correct. 2 in 2, 1. 2 in 7, 3.
1.
Remainder 1. 2 in 10. Then 2 in 2, 2 in 4, and 2 in 0, right?
Yes.
Can we still use
We
2?
yeah. No. You
Can
have
we
to
use
use 3.
3? Let's try. 3 in 13 is 4, remainder 1. 3 in 15, 5. 3 in 12, 4. 3 in 0. Is that clear?
Yes.
We cannot use 2 because of 40, so we can use 5. 5 here, 9. 5 here, 8. So we stop there, okay?
Okay.
Because no number will divide 9 and 8 at the same time with our remainder. What's the HCF?
2 times 2 times 3 times 5.
So what's the answer?
That will equal to
To what?
so 2 times 2 is 4.
Mm-hmm.
4 times 3 will be 12.
Mm-hmm.
12 times 5.
That would be
That
60.
will
Because I can read your lips, you are saying the Lord's Prayer.
um,
Okay, that would be 60, right?
yes.
Aha. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay, what about LCM? So what do we do?
Our LCM is 60
Times 72, right?
times. Yes.
So we cannot just pick one digit stuff, but we can even pick one digit. 72 times 6, so not times 5. I wanted to say 360, but let me just quickly multiply it. Or I just multiply it on the next page. 72 times 60, right?
Yes.
72 and 60. 0 times 2, 0 times 7. 6 times 2, 12, you keep 1. 6 times 7 is 42. 42 plus 1 is what?
That will be
43.
4.
So what do
43.
you have? 0, 2, 3, 4. What's the LCM? 4,320.
4,320.
So LCM equals to 4, 4320. Is that clear?
Yes.
So I'm going to give you some to try. Don't bother writing all this, okay?
Okay.
4320. I know you must have gone through a lot to get this 4320, right?
Yeah.
But it's not something that should take you, that should even stress you. You just divide quick, quick, and you get your answer, right?
Yes.
You know that when no number can divide them again, you stop, right? And
Yes.
the moment you stop, you pick this as your highest common factors. Then you join this, multiply as LCM. Okay.
Okay.
Right now, you're gonna use. You're gonna. Okay, wait. I'll do one of these for you, while you do two for me. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm still gonna move this downward a bit so that I can see this one. So let's see, 54, 60, and 90. Okay.
Okay.
54, 60, and 90. The instruction says HCF and the instruction says LCM. Okay. But I
Okay.
would say we should find both so that you can get used to the method. So I want us to find both the what? LCM and what?
Lcm and HC. No.
HCF, right?
HCF. Yeah.
HCF. So, let's see. Can two divide the three numbers?
No.
Why do you say so? Are they not even
Because
numbers?
there's. Oh, never mind. Yes.
Uh-huh. Before we were dealing with two numbers, right?
Yes.
Now we have three numbers to deal with, okay?
Okay.
And it's still the same method, so there's no mumbo jumbo there. There's no big deal. So let me see. Okay, I think that settles this part. So we can use two. Tell me what to write down. Yeah,
Yes. So two,
in five,
2 and 5
two
is
remainder one, making
two.
14.
2 and 14.
Seven. Then two.
7.
Wait again.
2 and 6 is 4.
Three, 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 not four. Two
Oh,
and
3.
six is three. Then two and
3.
zero. Two and nine is four. Remainder one. Two and 10, five. Can we still use
5.
two?
No, we can use 3.
We cannot use two, right? Two
Yes.
will only work for 30. It won't work for the remaining ones because they are not even numbers. So can you try three? Three in 27 is how many? Three in
3
30
and
is how
25
many?
is 9.
And three in 45 is how many?
15.
Can we still use three? No.
No.
Three will divide this, but will it divide 10? No. We cannot
No.
use five. Five will divide this too, but it will not divide nine. Is that clear?
Yes.
So literally, there is no number that we can use. What's the HCF?
Oh, HCF 2 times 3.
That's what?
That's 6.
Now,
And
now, now, for LCM, we cannot just multiply the remaining because it's three numbers, right?
yes.
We have to divide again. Let me now continue from this place for LCM, okay?
Okay.
I copied it, right? What number can we use? We can use 3 now, right?
Yes.
3 will divide 9. It will not divide 10. So you write it again like that, okay?
Okay.
Then it will divide 15, right?
Yes.
Then
That
you
would
can
be
use 3
5.
again now, right?
Yeah.
1, but it won't divide this and it will not divide this. So after 3 now, what else can we use? We can use 5, yes or no?
Ye-
Because
yes.
3 has no business there again. So the 5 doesn't affect the 1, but it affects this and it affects this, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Or better still, I should start from 2. Okay?
Okay.
Since 2 can divide 10, yes or no?
Yes.
So let me start from 2 now. So 2 here, 2 in 10 is what? 5.
5.
This 5 will not be affected, this 3 will not be affected. Is that clear?
Yes.
Wait. I think we stopped at 6 before,
Wait.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. We stopped at 6. So instead of using 3 first, let me use the 2 right from here. So this is still 9. Why this is 5 now, and this is 15 because 2 cannot affect it. Now 2 has no business, so we can use 3, right?
Yes.
Okay. If we're using 3, 3 will divide 9. It will not divide this, and it will not divide this. Okay. Okay. It will divide 15 to give us 5, right?
Yes.
We can still use 3 for only 3. Why this will remain 5? Is that clear?
Yes.
Then now we can use 5. So we get 1, 1, 1. Okay.
Okay.
Is that clear now?
Yeah.
Before I would just pack them and multiply, but because there is still something that can factor them, that is why I have to. So what is now the LCM?
The LCM
2 times
is
how many twos? One, two.
one,
Yeah,
two.
2 times 2, right?
Yes.
How many three?
That's
1, 2, 3.
3.
3 times 3 times 3. Then what? 5, right?
Yeah.
5. So this would be what? What's 2 times 2? 4.
4.
4 times 3.
That's 12.
That's 12. 12 times 3?
12. 12 times 3 will be. Okay, that'll be 3. So the
No.
first one is 3,
This is
then
what? 4.
4.
4 times 3? 12. 12
12.
times 3? 36. 36 times 3? 108. Okay?
Okay.
108 times 5 is what?
108 times
That's
5.
540.
Okay.
You should learn to multiply quickly, okay?
Okay.
540. That'll be the LCM. All right. Okay. I think that comes to the. Okay, yeah. You're going to do number 2 and 3 here, right?
Yes.
Do you understand
Then I'll
this
do.
or I should explain it again?
Maybe explain it again
Okay.
before I do the
We're
work.
finding LCM and HCF. So we firstly meet HCF, right?
Yes.
Because 2 can divide all of them, we divide it and get the second layer, okay?
Okay.
2 can go again. We use 3 to divide them, we get the third layer. Nothing will divide them at the same time again. So we stop, okay?
Okay.
We are not saying there's no number that can divide 9 or there's no number that can divide 10 or there's no number that can divide 15. No, that's not what we're saying, okay?
Okay.
But because the number that divide 9 will not divide 10, it might divide 15. The one that divide 10 might divide 15 but will not divide 9. So we can't go further, okay?
Okay.
That's where we got our HCF. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do that.
Now we now continue from there. We now start with 2 because 2 can still divide this one, okay?
Okay.
2 divided this to give 5. It doesn't tamper with the remaining 2. Is that clear?
Yes.
So I started with 2 being a smaller number. Then I go to 3. 3 can divide this and this, right?
Yes.
But will it divide the middle one? No. So it
No.
doesn't touch the middle one. I rewrote it like that. But 9 and 15 change to be 3 and 5. Is that clear?
Yes.
If I use 3 again to affect only 3, the 5s will not be affected. All right?
Okay.
Then finally I use 5 so that I can get 1, 1, 1. Then I multiplied all of them. I got my LCM. Okay?
Okay.
So write down the solution to this question 1. Then I'll give you the second and third one to try as classwork, okay?
Okay.
All right, viewers, thanks for watching. I'm going to continue shortly.
I'll be right back.
All right. We want to round up and we want to look at this together so that if I give you more to do, you will know how to do it. It is basically we're trying to divide those numbers, okay?
Okay.
We have 34, 21, and 14. Now, I want to divide them to find the HCF and the LCM. 2 cannot be used because of 21, okay?
Okay.
And 3 cannot be used either. Wow, I think this is going to be a tough one because 3 will not go if we want to find the HCF. Oh, no wonder they said you should find the LCM. Okay,
Okay.
so let's try and find only LCM for this case. Okay, so if I decide to use 2, 2 will divide this, but it won't touch this, and it will divide this, okay?
Okay.
Now, if I use 3, because I cannot use 2, no even number there. If I use 3, this, it will not divide this, but it will divide this, and it will not touch this, okay? Then I can
Okay.
use 7. 7 will divide this, but it will not touch this. Then I can use 17 because 17 is a prime number. Exactly.
Yes.
So it's only LCM we can find because the way I'm looking at it, the HCF is 1. Okay?
Okay.
There is no number that will divide all of them at a go. If this had been 35, then it would have worked to find the HCF. Let's assume we have it as, okay, let's check the LCM first. That's 2 times 3 times 7, then times 17. Okay?
Okay.
So let me quickly multiply it out and I write the answer. That's 2 times 3 times 7. That's 42. Then times 17. That's 714. Okay?
Okay.
714. Good. 714. But let's assume the first number was 35 instead of that. So if it's 35, 21, and 14, 7 will divide all of them. Is that clear?
Yes.
It's only one figure that made that two. So if I divide by 7, I'm going to have 5 here, I'm going to have 3 here, and I'm going to have 2 here. So the HCF would have been 7, while to get the LCM, we'll multiply everything. Do you understand now?
Yes.
And for the other one that says 34, 119, and 196, I believe that's also a bit way too odd, okay?
Okay.
Don't worry. I'll send these pages over. Then I'll try to give you the ones that look like the ones you've solved before so that you can be able to do the division. Is that clear?
Yes.
So that's why we'll be running up for today. We're going to meet on Friday by the grace of God, okay?
Okay.
All right. Goodbye for now.
Bye.
Bye. All right, viewers. Thanks so much for watching. You can subscribe to this channel for updates on our future videos. That'll be it for now. Say goodbye.